Have you ever tried installing Microsoft Office and it got stuck at 2% or is taking forever to install? Then worry not guys, in this video I will let you know how to download Microsoft Office complete offline installer, one file, everything included, so that you can install Office without internet during installation. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, what I'm going to do here is I am going to open internet browser, and before we begin further, let me talk about some of the prerequisites that is needed to install this Office. First and foremost, you need to have Office license with you and the account detail from where you bought this Office. Second is you need to have internet connection that have capacity to download 4 to 6 gigabyte of data. Alright, now in order to download Microsoft Office, what we need to do is we need to open Microsoft.com. Now here click on sign in and now use your Microsoft Office account. Now since I was already signed in, therefore it automatically logged me in. Next thing here we need to do, again we need to click on username and click on my Microsoft account. Now if you see here on the left hand side it says subscription, just click on that. And now here you're gonna find your Microsoft Office subscription or perpetual license. All here we need to do is we need to click on install, and then from here you can choose the language and the version. Now instead of choosing any version, since we have an internet problem, I'm gonna go with offline installer. Now click on install. What this will do is this will download complete Microsoft Office package, which as of now is about 4.7 gigabyte. After you download this package, all you need to do is you need to run it, which will further install Microsoft Office into your system. This particular offline installation method is became even more useful when you want to install Microsoft Office in your entire office or even let's say in multiple systems. So that's how guys, we just saw how we can download Microsoft Office offline installer such that we can install Office into multiple systems without any internet issue. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.